In today's video, I'll show you how to color grade a raw photograph in Darktable, guiding you through each step to make your images dazzle with professional-grade color adjustments. Let's begin by opening your RAW file in the Darkroom view in Darktable. The Darkroom view is your editing powerhouse within Darktable, providing you with access to a suite of tools designed for professional photo editing. Opening your RAW file here sets the stage for an extensive range of color grading possibilities. Next, we're going to focus on the exposure module. This step is crucial because it establishes the correct overall brightness of your image, ensuring a solid foundation for all subsequent edits. Adjusting exposure effectively involves balancing both the shadows and highlights so that details are preserved and the image looks realistic. It's like setting the base tone. You want it just right, so everything else falls into place effortlessly. After nailing down the exposure, let's delve into adjusting colors with the Color Balance RGB module. This tool is versatile for tweaking lift, gamma, and gain, allowing you to set your desired mood. Each parameter plays a specific role. Lift influences the dark tones, gamma adjusts midtones, and gain deals with highlights. By carefully balancing these, you can radically transform the atmosphere of your image, whether you're aiming for a warm sunset glow or a cool, airy morning vibe. Taking the time to experiment here is key and can really bring out the character in your photo. Moving on, it's time to fine-tune the colors using the Color Zones module. This is your go-to for targeted adjustments of hue, saturation, or lightness, letting you really customize the look of individual colors within your image. Maybe you want the sky to pop a vibrant blue, or the greens in the foliage to be more muted. The Color Zones module gives you control over those finishing touches. It's about perfecting the overall color harmony and ensuring that every element of the image contributes to your vision. To wrap things up, we'll enhance the depth of your photograph using the tone equalizer. This is an excellent tool for controlling highlights and shadows smoothly, providing a final polish that accentuates the depth in your scene. The tone equalizer lets you gently coax out those details in shadow areas without overexposing brighter spots. This results in an image that's dynamic yet balanced, and that's how you color grade a raw photo using Darktable quickly and effectively. By systematically working through these steps, from setting the exposure, tweaking color balance, fine-tuning with color zones, to finally enhancing depth with the tone equalizer, you can transform your raw images into striking visuals. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with each module's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.